Welcome class 9 student. Today I will discuss some definition of the chapter Euclid's geometry. Definitions are written on the board. The first of them, what is ray? Ray is a straight line generated by a point and moving in a fixed rate. It is called ray. It means ray means that is straight line. That one point is fixed and another end, just it is moving in a fixed direction. Okay, this is called ray. Now second definition, what is line segment? Line segment is a part of line. It is a part of line whose 2 points are fixed, whose end points are fixed. AB is a part of a line and two ends A and B are fixed and two ends are also terminated. Terminated means which have an end. Okay, so these 2 points are fixed. This is called line segment. Next, you can write the definitions, that is ray, linear line segment, collinear points and concurrent lines. And what is collinear points? Very important definition. What is collinear points? See, 3 or more points lying on the same straight line, that estimate straight lines, are called collinear. Sorry, that is collinear. That is collinear point. Okay, collinear point. So collinear points, if 3 or more points lying on the same line are called A, B, C. These 3 points lying in the same line, that is x, y. So these 3 points are called collinear points. If it is called at a point D, A, B, C, if a question is asked that A, B, C and D are collinear, no, because B is not lying on the line x, y. That's why only A, B, C are collinear. Okay, if it is taken here some points x, y line A, B, C, are A, B, C are collinear points? No, only A is lying on the line segment x, y and B, C lying not on the line x, y. That's why 1. For collinearity, it means 3 or more points lying on a same straight line. That is the definition of collinearity. Next, intersecting line. Okay, students, I am writing the intersecting line definition. That is, intersecting line means if two lines have common point, then lines are called intersecting line. Line AB and line CD. Two lines have a common point P. I am taking the name of that point P. So these two lines AB and CD are called intersecting line. You can take other line A, B, C, that is X, Y. Okay, 3 lines have a common point P. So 3 lines are called intersecting line. Okay. Now, what is concurrent line? What is concurrent line? If 2 lines or more lines, friends, for intersecting lines, for intersecting line, you can take 2 lines. That is, and 2 lines are called intersecting lines. And in case of concurrent lines, if 3 or more lines moving are passing through a fixed point, it can be many lines. Okay, in this concurrent line means if many lines passing through a single point, passing through a common point, then all the lines are called concurrent lines. So for concurrent lines, the only restriction is they have to move through a fixed point. And intersecting line in 2 lines, intersect at a point. Then lines are called concurrent lines. Okay. Next, parallel lines. What is parallel lines? Parallel lines means if 2 lines are said to be parallel lines if to each other if they never intersect. 2 lines are said to be parallel lines if they never intersect. For example, I am taking these 2 lines. If I extend these 2 lines up to as you wish, okay, then if these two lines never intersect each other, then these two lines are called parallel lines. If I extend, if the distance between them is same, and then lines are called parallel lines. So only criteria for being a parallel lines, they never intersect to each other in both the points, both the ends. Okay, this is called parallel. So now we are starting exercise 5.1 in the first question. The first question in exercise 5.1, it is given some statement, and we have to say these are right, true or false. First of them, exercise 5.1, question number 1. Only one line can pass through a single point. Only one line can pass through a single point. So through this point, many lines can be passed through this point, but in the statement it is given that only one single line can pass a single point. So first statement is false. Okay. Second statement, there are infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. Through these 2 points, only one line can pass. Just this line, not many lines. So that statement here it is given many lines. There are infinite number of lines which pass through the two distinct points. It means that statement also false. 3. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely on the both sides. It is true. If two circles are equal, their radius are also equal. Yes. If two circles are equal, their radius are also equal. That is also true statement. Okay. If a figure, question number 5, part 5, AB minus PQ, AB minus PQ, AB minus PQ equal to XY. A minus PQ equal to XY, then AB equal to XY. Then AB equal to XY. I think the question statement is wrong. If a figure in a figure AB minus PQ, student, I will discuss this question in the next video. Okay. I think that question that I have written in the copy is wrong. Okay, I will check it again and discuss it in the next video. Okay, students, thank you.